Joanna Couch. I am the soap gal, and I just want to give you a little bit behind the scenes of this amazing new soap cutter. So we have a half of a slab, or a dough pan, aka soap mold, on this cutter, and it's going to be powder coated. And it's going to be either white with sprinkle, teal with sprinkle, purple with sprinkle, pink with sprinkle. You tell us what you want. I hear you. I'm a girl. I want something pretty. So here's the cutter, and now I'm going to show you what it's like to cut this. So we are going to cut some soap. Let's do this. Wow, that is so easy. Don't that look amazing? Okay, thank you. So now that you've seen that soap cutter cut soap, and this is our mold that I actually cut in half and then put it onto the soap cutter and cut the soap, we are going to do a pre-buy. We are going to be retailing that soap cutter for $650, and the pre-buy is going to be $450 for that amazing soap cutter. I want to get it into your hands. I have heard so many people say there's nothing in the middle range of being a soap maker. It goes from a 5-pound mold, loaf, to blocks. And I wanted to create a soap cutter that's perfect for you. Our platform of our soap cutter is going to be 17 inches by 14 inches. That way you're able to cut a larger slab of soap. As you can see, the soap cutter is completely still, and it's going to be powder coated in those beautiful colors with a glitter and mica top coat. And it is going to be a soap cutter that you can use forever. And if you're interested, please pre-buy. It's going to be $450 for the next 2 weeks. If you're interested, please email me at hellothesoapgal.com. I am looking forward to you all being able to use that amazing slab cutter. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment. Thank you. Mwah.